Alright, welcome back everyone. We're back with another video today. And this video, we've got an old 16-foot trailer right here that the floor is busted out. This is not our trailer, this is the customer's trailer. And in the back of my truck over there, we've got some brand new pressure treated lumber to put on this thing. So Mark has already gotten all these screws out of it. They're all rusted, so we have new screws to go back in place of those. Cody's working on the tail lights because over here, these tail lights, they stick out past these, and this one's been busted. So we've got some smaller trailer lights, like the square ones, that we're gonna put here, and we're also gonna make some different brackets that are stronger, so they won't break as easy. So that's what we've got going today. So first things first, get this old floor out, and then we're going to start working on putting the new floor in. And I have an idea of how to put the new floor in without any cutting or welding of this flange or the front flange. So we'll see what we can do with that and get this floor taken care of. Like I was saying, so we don't have to do any cutting or welding. To do a trailer floor, normally you'd have to take this flange, you'd have to cut these welds and take it loose so you can pick the boards up. But I'm thinking we can cut these boards out, and I'm hoping with the new boards we can stick them under the flange on that side and bow them up in the middle, which will draw the board up and allow us to slide it under here and then flatten the board back out. That way we wouldn't have to do any cutting or welding. So first things first, I'm going to cut it right here. You don't think it's going to work? Nope. Cody doesn't think it's going to work. It might. And I just got me a brand new Diablo blade on this saw. I've never used a Diablo circular saw blade before, but all the other stuff is super impressive. So I'm going to start cutting this wood and hopefully not hit any metal and ruin the blade. We got the floor off the trailer, as you can tell. Here's the new lights I got. I picked them out at Tractor Supply. They're LEDs, and they came with all new wire. So I'm gonna open it up right now and get the wire out of it, because while the trailer floor is out, we might as well run the new wires. That way we ain't gotta crawl up under it. Actually, look at the screen on the camera and get what's being this one. Put it through that hole. Now come down here, Abby. Hold it up. We don't have enough wire, so we got to splice on some of the old wire. That's just the price you have to pay for some reason. All right. There's that. Look at that.
You couldn't do that with an arc lighter, could you?
No. There we go. Alright, so we got that soldered together. It ain't going nowhere. We're going to do that one more time. Let me go ahead and run this. Yeah. We're going to do that one more time and then run the rest of these wires. I'm falling. Hey, don't touch me. Alright. Alright. I'm standing for my son. We've got the floor out. We've got the new wires run in place. So next step, Mark's cleaning off the rails on the sides, and me and Cody's going to back my truck over here, and we're going to get this new lumber and see what we can do.
Does it make you sad?
No. Sad to do replacements?
Yeah.
Alright, so there's where we're sitting right now. Is it all the way up against the back?
I don't know.
Oh, alright. So here's my plan, people. I'm thinking, see how much that's about 3/4, maybe 5/8.
We should be able to make up that.
3/4. So I'm hoping if Mark gets in the center right there and I hold this side down, we could use a jack.
Can we bow it enough?
Oh, how far? Wait a second.
What? What about the rest?
We'll just have to bow one, or maybe two.
All right, get it over there. Look at that.
All right, so there's one.
All right, we're gonna set up the camera on a time lapse.
Alright, so here's how we're doing it. It actually worked what I thought about doing. Alright, we're bowing it up in the middle. Ready? And if you come over here. Ready? Yep. As he bows up on it. Oh shoot. Alright, let off, let off. Well, there it is right there. Gave us enough to slide up under there.
Look at that.
Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Perfect.
Alright, the Osmo died, so now we're back onto the GoPro. And what's next is to drill a hole in the middle of each board. Mark's drilling a pilot hole all the way down to the metal. So he's gonna do that everywhere. And then we have these new self-tapping screws. That way it'll drill a hole through the metal and hold the board down. So I'm gonna get an impact driver.
Can I start self-tapping?
Yeah. Alright, so Cody's gonna start putting these in. And then we can move on to new light mounts. Don't go too fast, but I want to see how this works. There you go. Sink it, sink it. Oh, there you go, there you go. Perfect. I like that. Cool. There you go. Perfect.
Ow!
Look at that. Dang, that thing just come flying right off. Nice. We got our new light brackets mounted. We made us a piece of channel. So there it is right there. We got it on both sides. And Mark's over here getting the, figuring out where the holes need to be for the bolts that hold the light on.
2 1/4. I want to inset that just a foot.
Inset what?
2 inches.
Are you gonna inset? Mark?
This reflector. I
Oh
don't want it
yeah.
to stick out.
No, it needs to be inset a good half inch or so.
No, it's not gonna be inset that far.
Okay. Alright. When Mark's figuring that out, I'm going to get a wire brush on a grinder and start cleaning these up so we can paint them.
You can't do that till I dig a hole. Or dig
What?
a hole. This idiot.
Dig a
do
hole.
that. You can't do that until I get done.
Okay. Alright, we've got the lights installed. Looks real fine and everything. Paint don't match the original color, but the original color's like super old and pink looking. It probably looked like that at one time. Not a hard job, was it, Cody? No, it certainly wasn't for you because you weren't here for most of it. There's left blinker,
Yup.
right blinker. Turn on your running lights.
Yup.
Yep. Brake lights.
Yup.
Running lights?
Yeah.
Yup.
Hey, your left light is out on the truck. Cool.
Got any bolts for it,
Alright, we have got this trailer done.
Line got
That
any bolts
is
for that thing?
it for this video. So that's how you can put a trailer floor on without doing that. If you want to take it off, that's fine too. You can risk breaking a board in half, especially if there's a knot where you're bowing it. But anyways, that's how we did it. We got new lights on it. If this video helped y'all at all, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below, and subscribe so that y'all will be notified better and have it on your subscription feed for when we upload videos. So anyways, we'll catch y'all on the next one, and have a great day. See ya.